Have you ever wondered if anyone actually lives on the Arctic Ocean? You see those stunning pictures of ice and polar bears, but what about people? It's a fascinating question, and the answer might surprise you. Let's get right to it. No one lives permanently on the Arctic Ocean itself. Think about it. It's a vast expanse of shifting sea ice, battered by extreme weather. We're talking about bone-chilling temperatures, powerful winds, and months of complete darkness during the polar night. Building a city on a giant, moving ice cube just isn't practical. It's one of the most inhospitable places on our planet. But that doesn't mean the area is empty. Far from it. Millions of people live in the regions around the Arctic Ocean. This massive territory spans across 8 different countries, often called the Arctic nations. These are the United States, specifically Alaska, Canada, Russia, Norway, Denmark, which includes Greenland, Iceland, Sweden, and Finland. Across these nations, you'll find a mix of coastal towns, remote indigenous villages, and cutting-edge research stations, all nestled along the fringes of the Great White North. So, how many people are we talking about? The entire Arctic region, which is a huge area, is home to roughly 4 million people. To put that in perspective, that's about half the population of New York City, spread across an area larger than all of Europe. Only a fraction of these 4 million people live directly on the coastlines of the Arctic Ocean. The population isn't evenly distributed either. Russia has the largest Arctic population by far. The biggest cities in the Arctic are actually in Russia. For instance, Murmansk has over 270,000 residents, making it the largest city north of the Arctic Circle. Then there's Norilsk, with around 180,000 people. In comparison, Tromsø in Norway has about 65,000 residents. A crucial part of the Arctic story is the indigenous peoples who have called this land home for thousands of years. These communities have not just survived, but thrived in these challenging conditions, developing incredible knowledge and resilience. You have the Inuit in Canada and Greenland, the Sami across Norway, Sweden, and Finland, and groups like the Chukchi and Nenets in Russia. Their cultures are deeply connected to the land and sea. For centuries, they have relied on traditional activities like fishing, hunting seals and whales, and herding reindeer. Their ability to adapt and live in harmony with this frozen world is truly remarkable and a testament to human ingenuity. Their traditional knowledge is invaluable for understanding the Arctic environment. Finally, there's another group of people you'll find in the Arctic, but they're usually not permanent residents. I'm talking about scientists. Hundreds of researchers from all over the world travel to the Arctic to study everything from climate change and marine biology to geology and atmospheric science. They live and work in temporary research stations, some of which are built right on the sea ice. These drifting stations, like the famous Russian Borneo ice camp, float with the ice pack, allowing scientists to gather data from the heart of the Arctic Ocean. These brave individuals endure the harsh conditions in the pursuit of knowledge that helps us all understand our changing planet. So, to recap this incredible journey to the top of the world, while no one builds their permanent home directly on the floating ice of the Arctic Ocean, the surrounding regions are very much alive. The Arctic is home to about 4 million people, spread across 8 nations. These populations are a vibrant mix of modern coastal cities, ancient indigenous communities with deep-rooted traditions, and temporary scientific outposts, pushing the boundaries of human knowledge. The Arctic isn't an empty wasteland. It's a dynamic, inhabited, and critically important part of our world. Thank you so much for joining me on this exploration of the Arctic. If you found this journey as fascinating as I did, please give this video a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you won't miss our next adventure. See you in the next video.